The Lincoln Navigator sure is a beautifully striking and commanding SUV to behold when passing by in traffic. But what you may not know is that the Navigator has perhaps the most luxurious interior experience you will find on a full-size American luxury SUV. Let's take a journey around the interior of the Lincoln Navigator. The Navigator has plenty of space being a full-size SUV, and once you climb into the cabin, the openness and abundant space is felt right away. Headroom in the first row measures a max 41.8 inches and legroom 43.9 inches. In the second row, you have 40 inches of headroom and 42.3 inches of legroom. In the third row, headroom is 37.3 inches and legroom checks in at 40.9 inches. Plenty of space for full-size adults to be comfortable in all three rows, with 172.1 cubic feet of total passenger volume in the Navigator L. As for cargo, you will want the Navigator L to get the maximum amount of space, and you'll have 34.3 cubic feet of cargo space behind the third row, 79.6 cubic feet of space behind the second row, and 120.2 cubic feet of maximum cargo capacity. Interior colors include a black ebony, an ebony and russet, which adds a brown accent color, dark slate, which is a nice gray hue, and finally, cappuccino beige, which is what this Navigator is outfitted with. Adding the interior luxury package gets you the perfect position 30-way seats that include active motion massage capability, power thigh extender, and head restraints, which also come heated and ventilated with 3 memory positions. Also included is the Revell Ultima audio system with 20 speakers. Climbing into the cabin, you will notice the elegance and ambience right away. The fine stitch leather adorns nearly every surface and is soft to the touch. The trim features deep wood and bright chrome to round out the refined look. Your 30-way seat controls are located on the door, with the top button adjusting your headrest, then the upper back, then this is the recline, and the bottom buttons move forward, back, up, and down. And in front of that are your 2 thigh extensions. And above those are your one-touch massage button and various lumbar and bolster settings to make up 30 unique ways to adjust your seating position. Your massage features can also be found in the Sync 3 menu and allows you to adjust to different areas of the seat and various speed settings. Once you turn the massage function off, the seat returns to the previous bolster and lumbar positions. In the dash, you get a fully customizable LCD screen. Using the buttons on the steering wheel, you can navigate through the menu to change your gauges from a minimal look to a display with much more information. You can also control your vehicle settings from this menu, as well as turn off and on safety features. The steering wheel also features audio controls and your adaptive cruise control settings. The start button is located just right of the steering wheel, and below that, if equipped, is the reverse trailer backup assist knob, and below that are trailer brakes. The Navigator features a piano key push button transmission selection that is not only unique but practical, as it frees up so much space in the center console for more storage. Moving through the center console, you have your audio controls with volume knobs, power, seek and source, and finally a tune knob. Under that are your climate controls that are easy to read and have an intuitive layout. Temperature control switch goes up for heat and down for cool. You have your heated and cooled seat temp controls and your fan speed knob right in the middle. In the compartment closest to the driver lies a wireless charging pad and power ports for those devices without wireless charging. Opposite of that are your cup holders and a nice slotted compartment that is perfect for your phone. Your drive control knob lives here, with additional buttons to control your auto start stop, parking sensors, your active park assist, and your auto hold. And to the left of that is your parking brake. You have dual armrests for each the driver and passenger. However, the console opens as one to reveal a cavernous storage area complete with tray and another power port. Climbing into the second row, you can outfit this space with either 2 captain's chairs and a pass-through, or a split bench layout. Or, if you want to get even fancier, you can opt for the center console. The console houses a 4.2-inch LCD screen with multimedia controls for the rear passengers, in addition to 2 cup holders, a spacious storage area underneath the dual armrests, and additional storage underneath. In front of you are climate controls for the rear, including heated rear seats. To access the third row, a convenient button will power tilt, and the second row seat will allow you to slide completely forward to traverse into the third row. Once seated, you can power recline at the push of a button to allow for more space and relaxation. There are power ports on either side so all passengers can power devices on those long road trips. Now that we have explored all 3 rows, let's get behind the wheel and go for a first-hand drive in the Lincoln Navigator. The Lincoln Navigator sure is worthy of its name, as the grand size and elegance will make you feel like a ship's captain as you sail on your journeys through the seas of traffic. But either being behind the wheel or as a passenger, the smooth ride and opulence in the cabin will make you feel as though it's a luxury liner going over smooth ocean. To experience this for yourself, there is no better place to start than Richmond Lincoln, where we are driven by you.